Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2013 Seat Mii. Now some of these Miis can only be reset by the diagnostic machine, but some of them do work with this procedure I'm just going to do now. So if you try this and it doesn't work, it must have to be done by the diagnostic machine. But just pop the ignition on and just show you we've got the inspection light there. And all we're going to use is just this little button on the right hand side. And the first step is start with the ignition off. I'm going to press and hold this button while turning the ignition on to stage 2. Once you've done that, release the button and just press the button once, and that'll reset the service light. If we just strike it back up now, you'll see how that's all been reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.